So here you are, my name is Adam Shamseen. If you're watching this video, most likely you are interested in the Legacy Builders program, but you haven't gotten started just yet. Well, lucky for you, because this week I'm offering a power deal, not just, super deal or just some kind of bonuses. I'm offering, something that unlike anything else you've seen before. What I'm offering here is over $3,000 bonuses. We're gonna go over everything together here. Let me switch actually over to this page here. You are on this page right now, okay? All right, so please understand, before I go over the first bonus here, there are 3 bonuses here. I want you to understand that most people online don't make any money because of 2 reasons. 2 problems here. The number 1 problem is the tech part. They don't know how to install things. So they give up, or they struggle, or actually they go to the Legacy Builders program and they pay them $300 just to install the Legacy Builders funnel or marketing funnel they're using, but everyone else is using the same funnel, and that is the problem. So you don't want to use the same exact thing. We are going to use it, but before we use it, we have to install first. I have created a personal branding system. Okay, so I've done over 6 figures online by attracting people over to me first and teach them something and help them before actually I sell them a program. Because, if everyone else is going to be using the same exact pages the Legacy Builders program is offering, you're not different. You need to offer people bonuses, first of all. You need to attract people over to you. People need to get to know you, not the owner of the program, okay? Because people buy people, they don't buy programs, to be honest with you, okay? And this is how I've done over 6 figures, by actually building systems that attracts people over to me instead, okay? So let me show you exactly. This is the first bonus here. It's worth over $1,500. I cannot even put a price on it because it has a lot of juicy stuff here that it takes a lot of time to actually install. Okay, so let me show you exactly how this works, okay? So this is the first page. So people are gonna come into this page and your photo is going to be here. As you can see, it's very simple, but yet very effective and very powerful page, okay? You can call it a capture page. We are going to collect information basically here from people and move them over. Let me show you how it works. People click here and they will go over to this branding bridge page, okay? So, and we're offering a nice training. So we want to help people, and you want to explain to people what marketing is all about. We're just going to send them and just sell them just any programs. It doesn't work this way. People need to be educated first, okay? We help them understand how things work. Now, of course, you can replace this video or you can keep it. It's up to you. We will talk about this on a Zoom call, but you're going to get the exact system. As you can see, this system explains everything. It's going to be branded to you. Your photo is going to be here. So you are offering people training here, and you are offering people bonuses. You get to use the exact bonuses that I'm using. As you can see, everything is going to be you here, not me. So we're going to replace your photo, put it here, your story, and then also some testimonials here. I'm going to feature you. We're going to have an interview together, you and I, and then we're going to put your video right here, and there's going to be your photo here as well. Okay, this is authority, my friend. Actually, I'm giving you authority. So once you have an authority online, people start buying from you. You don't have any authority, people are not going to buy anything from you. And all these buttons on this page, all these buttons, as you can see, it will lead people to, of course, after they watch the training. I'm doing the selling for you if you want to keep this video. This is a very nice training, by the way, or you can do your own later on down the road. Okay, no problem. So they click on this button and then we'll take them to the Legacy Builders program, which is the sales page. Okay, it's designed differently. I have fixed it. It converts really, really high. And then from here, they can actually go over also some testimonials, and they can watch a video of the owner of the program. You're going to have your photo here and your story. We're going to take care of all of that for you and I together. This is what this bonus is all about. We're going to install it from beginning to the end, and people click here and they end up on this checkout page, and they will pay you. Your photo is going to be here. Okay, so now you understand how this bonus works. Okay, so let me go back to this page where we are right now. Okay, so this is the first bonus. I am helping you one-on-one, which takes a lot of time from me, okay, to actually install everything from the beginning to the end. If you don't have that help from someone else, run away, my friend, okay? I know people offering a lot of different bonuses online, but believe me, they don't offer what I'm offering here, like a one-on-one coaching. People are paying $5,000 just to be one-on-one on Zoom, okay? To be coached, to install things. So once we install your business, you are going to feel so good because now you know that you have a very powerful and solid foundation. And that's what I'm doing in this first bonus, okay? You're gonna get my own personal branding system, branded to you, and we're gonna install the Legacy Build This program right behind it. Not only that, you are also going to get a website, okay? This is my website, adamshamseen.com. This has to do with consulting, okay? Now you may say, Adam, why do I need this website? For you to collect money from people in the sales page, in the checkout page, you need to have a Stripe account. Now, Stripe don't approve just anyone. You need to have a website, an official website, and that's what this website is all about. So I've designed a nice website for you that has nothing to do with the Legacy Build This program. It's a consulting website. Once this is installed, it's going to be your first and last name.com. Of course, we are going to give it to Stripe, and Stripe is going to approve us for a merchant account, and we're going to take that merchant account and have it with the Legacy Build This program, so we can actually collect, so you can collect actually the $900 payment, the 100% profit into your account, into your bank account, okay? So that's the reason why this bonus is so valuable that no one is offering except myself, okay? This is a very nice website, okay? And it will get approved by Stripe. My other members have used it and they are very happy with it. Let me go over to this page. You can watch these testimonials right here, okay? So you're gonna get a branding system, my friend. Get the Legacy programs installed together, and you are going to also get an official website that gets you approved for a Stripe account, a merchant account, okay? So that's the first bonus, is worth over $1,500, okay? You are only paying for the Legacy Business program, but you're getting everything else for free, okay? So that's the first bonus. Second bonus, now, very important bonus here. Once everything is installed, you and I together on Zoom later on also, we are going to go over how you can actually start attracting people over to your system, okay? The whole system that we just installed, we are going to show you exactly my six-figure, YouTube blueprint, okay? You don't need any subscribers, my friends. I've done over 6 figures online without any subscribers. You can go see yourself. If you go to my YouTube channel right now, I barely have 300, 400 subscribers. It's not about subscribers. It's about actually how to catch people and get people over to your videos for a certain thing, okay? And then people will get attracted to you, and then we send them over to the attraction marketing system that we installed, and then from there actually let the system take care of it automatically. That's how I do it. Very successful. You can tell from my clients here who are in the Legacy Builders program how happy they are. So that's the second bonus, my secret YouTube blueprint, okay? Now, once you've done your videos, shot the video, now what to do with it, I'm gonna give you access to how to edit YouTube and social media videos in minutes. So you're gonna be learning, I'm actually walking you through this, it's recorded already, step by step how to edit your YouTube and social media videos quickly and turn one simple video into an automated system that brings your leads every day, even when you sleep. I do everything organically for free. My friend, if you want to succeed online, you need to learn your skills, okay? You need to have a solid system behind you, rinse and repeat, that's it, okay? Once a week, you do one video. Once you learn it, once you learn how to do the process, it's going to be easy for you. It's going to be like a money machine, like a printing machine, I will call it, okay? Those videos are amazing. Look at my videos here. There are not many, but believe me, they are very powerful, okay? They bring in 6 figures a year, okay? And right now, sorry, my lighting here in my studio, I'm not in my studio in Dallas. I'm traveling in Spain right now. So sorry about also the mic. I don't have my main mic here, but I wanted to show this actually power deal over to you so you can take advantage of it as soon as possible, okay? The clock on this page will tick. It's not available just forever, okay? I only can take few people, okay? Watch the testimonials on these videos, and underneath these testimonials here, if you have any questions, go over the questions, okay? And if you need to contact me, my contact information is right here. Click on this link here. It will take you over to my contact page. And by the way, you are going to have the exact contact page that's included in your bonuses, okay? So you can contact me via WhatsApp, That's the fastest way because I'm traveling, I'm overseas right now. I answer very quickly. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number, or you can contact me on from Facebook. Everything is right here for you. Okay, so let me go back to full screen here. You want to work with someone who actually care about you, not just care about selling you something. Here I'm coaching you, I'm installing your business from A to Z, plus I'm coaching you on marketing, plus I'm giving you all my secrets. I'm not hiding anything. And this is the reason of my success and my students' success as well. Because you know what, when you know and learn all that within just a few days and you have everything is installed, now you are armed with skills that no one has. And this is the reason why I would say like 90% of people who actually jump into not only the legacy business program, any program, they don't have any attraction marketing systems. They have no skills. They don't know how to attract leads. They don't know any of that stuff. Okay, you can learn it from the legacy business program. I'm not saying the legacy business program is amazing once you learn things from it, but we need to hit the ground running. You don't have months to learn things. You need to be up and running within days and start attracting sales, right? And start making money. And you have me behind you to support you on every step. Okay, back to this page that you are on right now. Click on Get My Legacy Build This Program here. Click on this button. It will take you straight to the page. Pay the $900, okay? And then I will see that you came in. Okay, once I see that you came in, I will contact you immediately and schedule a one-on-one Zoom. Now, because I'm doing this personally, so I cannot take more than a few people. Okay, so it's not like open for like 20, 30 people. Believe me, it's not. I only take few people every quarter, and that's it. Okay, so make sure you don't think about this. I know you can search on YouTube and everywhere for bonuses, who to join in the Legacy Build This program, but no one is offering what I am offering. You need someone who teaches you, install, help you with everything from A to Z, my friend, and I'm doing this for free. For no cost, extra cost, okay? So I wish you the best luck out there, and I hope you become one of my students, and then we'll just start this journey. And let me tell you something, the secret to success is to get started, okay? So I will see you soon. Take care, bye-bye.